Quilt in our Friday afternoon unboxing. We've got, well, I didn't think we had very much. I guess we have more than what I thought. Let's see. Alright. Now that ombre fabric that we got in a few weeks back, this is the pattern we had gotten in originally. It uses one fabric and that's it. But then they have several more patterns, and these are really pretty. I think I really like this one. And then we've got some more of the Diva 2 pattern, which has the three varieties of where you can take a panel and then add some borders. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is some wash away Wonder Tape. You can use that. It does not gum up your needle if you need to use that. Let's get this box out of the way. Staying cool. It's hard to stay cool here. It's pretty warm in here today. Alright, we've got, let's see if I can get it open. These are the Roxanne thimbles. These are not the super expensive ones. These are pretty nice. We carry these. They come in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. And we ran out of the large ones, and you can differentiate the size by the color. I'll kind of show you what it looks like. And they're metal, they're not, so they're kind of pretty too. I'm not a hand quilter, so I don't know too much about those. Alright, we got some more of the charm packs of the Holiday Lodge. Those just flew out the door. We were able to get some more. I think Moda most definitely reprinted, and I was trying to get this piece right on top that has the, maybe you can see a little bit better, has the tree, has a moose, or a deer maybe, a bear. I think it's just a deer. A bear. Tried to get some of that on the bolt, no luck. Alright, we got some Sew Line. This is the marking pencil that has 3 colors in it. It has black, white, and pink. So you don't have to swap out different pencils or swap out the different colored leads. Alright, here's another thimble that we carry. It's a clover thimble. And this is the, what size is this one? This is the small one. And they also have several different sizes. Make sure I don't throw something away. I know I've been known to do that. Then you have to go dumpster diving. Got some more of the Quilt As You Go baby bibs, and these are so cute. It's just like all the other Quilt As You Go stuff that we've gotten in. Just take some of your scraps, and the batting is marked, and you start with number 1 and lay your piece, stitch it down and flip it, and then lay your second one. So they're very easy to do. Okay, we were out of our spinning stars. 2-inch half-square triangle papers. You get 8 half-square triangles with every paper. Okay, we replaced our Elizabeth Hartman, the penguins, and the llamas, and then one of our favorite designers, the pattern basket. She has some new ones out. I think I showed you one last week. It's called Summer Swag. They've kind of flown out the door along with the ruler, so I've got more of those coming. And then here's a new one that's butterflies and some sailboats and watering cans. And then this one for Halloween is unbelievably cute. It's called Boo. And Amanda and I each made a block. This is Amanda's. I'm gonna lay it right there. Hopefully you can get a good, it's hard to see it in a picture, but the background has like a tone on tone kind of thing, and then she's got the little dots and her little bow. And here's the one that I made. Guess we both had our mind on polka dots that day. Alright, and then we got some new, we've had these in the past, we sold out, we just replaced them. These are 12 by 18 inch, the pink splash ultra mats. Great to put beside you when you're sewing, so that way you don't have to keep jumping up and down. This is a black gingham, and I thought it would be really, really cute to make Boo out of that on a white background. And we got some more of the tooled leather, the red tooled leather. This is for our Saturday sampler Western. We were needing some more for that, so I ordered some more. We have some 18-inch design boards by Lori Holt, and these are great for laying your blocks out if you have a lot of pieces, so you don't get them turned around and then carry it to your machine, or just to see how blocks are going to look together. These come in, I think we have a 10-inch one, the 18-inch ones, and I think there's some 14-inch ones, but I think they might be out of stock on those. But these are really pretty. Has her fabric designs around the edge. I think Lisa's got several of these, don't you?
Yes.
She loves them. All right, let's see. Moda came out with a few new colors in their Moda marbles, and this is a gray. I think it's called Steel. Okay, let me move some of this stuff. All these patterns will go sliding if I don't. It is a pretty color. I thought it was really, really gray, but I think it has a blue cast to it. And then this one is called Regatta. And this one is called Cobalt. They discontinued some of their marbles a while back, so I guess they decided to bring out some new ones. Alright, this is a white tone on tone, and it is called muslin. It's a muslin made. It's a Moda basic, but it's called Dash, and I don't know if you can see those, but we sell a lot of this. This is great background fabric. And then this has been on back order for a little while. It finally came in. This is one of Moda's Wildflower Basics, and this is what they call Summer. That's very popular. And then remember the spotted line that Moda just came out with? It's a line of basics. They've got some more coming out sometime this month, but this is a blue one. We're going to slowly but surely build our inventory of that color. It's a real pretty basic line. Okay, I think I'm going to have to move some. these two. Oh, now I knocked something else over. Right. As back to the Quilt As You Go, they're coming out with more and more items. This is a table runner. And it's kind of hard to tell because that fabric is pretty busy, but it's like a French braid. And then we got Quilt As You Go placemats. Now I don't think that one on the front's very pretty, but you could certainly make it pretty with the fabrics that you choose. Then we got some more of the Sophie tote bag. This has probably been an extremely popular one. They've got two different ones, but I think this one's the most popular one. They have Alexandria and then Sophie. And this is the 10-inch design board that I was mentioning from Lori Holt. This one's heavy. And speaking of the other tote, there's the Alexandra Bag. Alright, now Creative Grids come out with a new ruler. Imagine that. It's 3.5 by 6.5. It's a great little size ruler to cut your small pieces with. And we've got a replacement. We were out of the 7.5-inch square rulers. And although we didn't need these, I know Christmas will be coming up. I know it's hard to think about that right now. I cringe. I just went to Hobby Lobby today to get a couple things, and they have all their Christmas stuff out. But here is the red strip packs, and we have some, but I remember last year, close to Christmas, we ran out and then couldn't get them. So we've got red and green, so we should have plenty of these for a while. And then we have, here's another one. Alright, these are ruler stickers, and I know you cannot see them. I know it just looks like a plain piece of paper. There's different colored ones in here, I think. But there are arrows, and they are reusable. So if you have to cut something pretty minute or down to your eighths or whatever on your ruler, you can take and pull one of these off and have the arrow at it so that you can kind of line it up, and it's much easier to see. Okay, and then we got some more of this is Shadow Play, another one of the basics that we really like. It's from Maywood. Blue, yeah, another blue, and I forget how many they have of these, like 150 or something like that. And this one is just a replacement. This was the green that we ran out of, and it's a pretty green. Alright, we have a sample here. It's called Lightning Flash. Yeah, Lightning Flash. It's a cut loose press pattern. And it's done with the straight out of line ruler from Creative Grids. And there's what it looks like. That was made with 5-inch charm packs. And we'll show you which one we used. It's the one that has all the florals. And we have this pack, or we have this line in 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, and strip packs as well. But what makes this nice is if you're a scrappy kind of person and you keep all your scraps, kind of organize them, and you could then utilize some of your scraps and use them up. We just chose this green to put in here and separate them. And believe it or not, as big as that is, this pattern makes it quite large, and we kind of toned it down. We didn't want one that large for here at the shop because we don't have the space to display it. But wanted to show you that. Okay, and I think that's all we have except for tomorrow is Saturday Sampler. Those of you that are participating, 2 different times, 10 or 2. Alright, it's time for our Facebook Live drawing, and these are all sticking together. Barbara Johnston, you are the winner of our Facebook Live $10 gift certificate for today. And try to stay cool, and we'll see you next Friday.